Hey, Tech Guide Teachers here. Hope you're having a good day today. So today, looking at how to delete and add rows in Google Docs. So to start with, you're going to open up your Google Docs account, then find the document with your table in. Once you have that open, we're going to delete a row. So say I want to delete this row in the middle, DF. So you can click on any of these cells. So left click, then I'm going to right click, and then I'm going to click on delete row. If I want to undo that, I can click on the undo button. And if I wanted to add a row, again, I left click, then right click, and then you have the option to insert a row above or insert a row below the one you've clicked in. So I'm going to click to insert a row above, and you can see it's giving me a whole new row here that I can edit. I hope that was helpful. Please like the video and subscribe. I will see you soon.